Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account on the Google Play website. Do this now and verify two-step authentication to secure purchases. Once signed in, add a payment method in Google Payments so transactions complete without interruption. Next, make sure you install supporting Google apps from the App Store, Google TV for movies, Google Play Books for ebooks, because Apple won't run the Play Store. But these apps let you access purchased Play content on iPhone. Once done signing in and installing apps, use the Google Play web interface to find and buy content, search, filter by category, and read descriptions closely. If you have gift codes, redeem them in your Google account before purchase. This applies to apps, books, and movies. After buying, make sure to open the matching Google app on your iPhone, Google TV for movies, Play Books for ebooks, then download or stream content. Doing this links purchases to your device without needing the Play Store. To finish, confirm purchases in your Google account purchases, list and sync the content to your iPhone by opening the appropriate Google app. This ensures offline downloads where supported. Manage subscriptions and request refunds through Google Payments if needed, and sign out on old devices to avoid conflicts. If something goes wrong, like a payment rejection or content unavailable, check your Google account region and payment method first. If that fails, update the iOS Google app and restart the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.